So the first thing you're gonna do is go onto Pixlr. I personally have it as like a frequently visited thing. If you don't, then just type it into Google or Safari. And then you just want to click on Pixlr X because that is the newest version. And then go to Create New. You can choose whichever one you want, but I'm just going to use this one. And then click on this button and it gives you a background. Create. Go to text, add new text. And I'm just gonna go subscribe because I'm cliche. And then you can use whatever font you want. The font that it gave me already is pretty good though, so I'm just gonna use that. And then I'm gonna change the color of the font, make the font a little bit bigger. Actually, now looking at that font, I don't know if I like that as much, so I'm just gonna pick that one. So now I need my pattern. Obviously you can use like patterns or glitter or whatever from Google, but because of copyright and to be respectful, you probably shouldn't do that. So I'm just gonna go on to Pixabay because they have like free stock photos, but they also have illustrations, which is super nice. So I'm gonna go patterns. So it gives me a whole bunch of really awesome things. I like this, so I'm gonna choose this. Or actually, I think I'm gonna choose this one because this one's like really weird. I'm gonna save that one too. So I'm gonna put this on here. So this one will look weird stretched out, but after I do this next step, I will show you how to make images look better. So you click the 3 little dots and go to the blend mode and then select screen, or you can select lighten. They pretty much do the same thing, although I like lighten a little better. Although screen might look better for this one. Just play around with those two and figure out which ones you like. So this looks pretty cool already, but I want the image to be a little smaller. So I'm just going to drag it down so that you can see more of the image. This still looks weird, but it's just a weird pattern. If you use a different pattern, it would look better. So we're gonna duplicate that and then drag it over. And then duplicate that one and drag it over. Using certain patterns, they can look a little weird with these like how the patterns meet up. So if you want to avoid that, you can just make sure that the pattern ends in between letters. And this overall is kind of an odd pattern. I just changed the pattern really quickly, but anyways, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about how to do this or anything, ask me in the comments down below. Everything, like both of the websites that I showed you on this, are free. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, shape, or form. They are just really good websites that I like randomly found and I really like them. So definitely check those out. And also let me know in the comments down below what type of things you're excited to make now that you know how to do this. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.